Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Sania and you are watching SK Techno. So in this tutorial I'll let you know about how to create a playlist for your YouTube channel. So let me explain you what is the purpose of the playlist. Playlists help to increase views on your channel, also about the subscriber of your YouTube channel, because from playlist a lot of viewers can see your videos. Let's suppose you have different type of content on your channel, like you have 3 to 4 types of content. But if you create a playlist for each of the content and then add your different further videos, sub videos in that playlist, then it will be easy for the viewer, so he or she can easily see the content of their own choice, their own type. So it's best for you to create a playlist on your YouTube channel to gain more subscriber, to gain more views, to gain a lot of watch time. So it's best trick. So let's get started. First you have to click on the YouTube Studio. Go to your channel, then click on the YouTube Studio. From here you can see the left corner playlist option. Click on this option. Here I have no playlist in this channel. I'll create the playlist and then will show you guys that how to create a playlist. You can see the option here, new playlist. Click on this option, playlist title. From here you can select the title of your video type. Like I have to create a playlist for YouTube course, complete YouTube series. So I'll write name of playlist. YouTube series complete YouTube series. Okay, I have selected the name complete YouTube series. You can select the name according to your niche of your channel, according to your content. So here's the visibility option: public, private, unlisted. Let it be public so everyone can see playlist on your channel, from your subscriber, from unsubscribed people, so they can easily subscribe your channel. Click on the create option, complete YouTube series. Okay, click on the create option. It's just been created. Now as you can see, the playlist is created. Now if you want to add videos in this playlist, click on this edit option. It will go to the next bar. Then here you can click on the 3 dot, add videos. Here 3 options. You can search videos from YouTube and add into your playlist. Like you have 2 channels or 3 channels and you want to create a playlist and add videos from another channel, then you can search here, write name of your channel. But if you want to add the video from any URL, you can write URL here. And third option here, if you want to add videos from your own YouTube channel, like here I want to add videos and playlist from my own YouTube channel, then you can click on here, like selective videos you can add more than one video in one playlist. So click on this. No, I'll click on this because these videos are regarding YouTube series first, second and third. Okay, these 3 videos are regarding YouTube series, so I'll add these 3 videos in my playlist. Add video option. So let's check, these 3 videos have been added in your playlist of named complete YouTube series. Okay, let's close this tab and confirm. Like let's suppose I'm confirming that the playlist have been created, which I have created before few minutes ago. So again click on the playlist option, click on this option, complete YouTube series. Okay, click on this. Yes, it's have been created and the 3 videos as I want have been created in this playlist. So in this tutorial I have tell you about how to create a playlist, and I have explained in the start of the video that what are the benefits of creating a playlist on your YouTube channel. So it's highly recommended to you guys that you need to create a playlist on your channel of different types of different names. Like if I want to create another playlist, I'll create it for another series like Boya mic series or any other thing else, so you can create easily. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.